A greenhouse is a transparent building for growing plants. Light energy from the sun is turned into heat, and the heat is trapped inside the greenhouse. A similar effect also occurs in the atmosphere. Solar energy from the sun reaches the Earth. Some of it is reflected back to space, while most of it passes through the atmosphere. Absorbing the energy from the sun, the Earth's surface becomes warm and emits infrared radiation. Greenhouse gases such as water vapor, carbon dioxide, methane, nitrous oxide, ozone, and CFCs in the atmosphere absorb the infrared radiation emitted from the Earth's surface and then radiate. In this way, part of heat will return to the Earth. This phenomenon is called the greenhouse effect. The Earth's surface temperature increases under the greenhouse effect. There are more and more greenhouse gases in our atmosphere, especially in the last few decades. This enhances the greenhouse effect. Since the late 19th century, the average temperature of the Earth's surface has increased by 0.7 degrees Celsius. Such a climate change is called global warming. As the Earth becomes warmer, ice sheets at the poles will melt and the sea level will therefore rise. The coastal area will then be flooded. Countless people and animals will lose their homes. Moreover, the world rainfall patterns may be changed. More extreme weather conditions may occur. Food and clean water supply will then become unstable. People may starve to death, and animals may become extinct. A warmer climate will also enhance the spread of tropical diseases like dengue fever and also pests.